مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Gateway to Arabic channel with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. In today's lesson, let's continue learning how to read and write the Arabic script easily and efficiently using one of my books, Gateway to Arabic Book 1. Today, let's conclude our lesson on how to join our letters. Let's start quickly with letter Laam. Laam, very interesting letter. Laam, easy to pronounce, easy to write. Letter Laam, isolated form, and letter Laam when joined. Okay. Now, letter Laam sometimes is combined with an alif. And it's called Lam Alif. And Lam and Alif. Lam Alif. Okay. You can write Lam Alif in two ways. One of two ways. I show you both. So look at the letter Lam Alif. One version. And then the second version of it, Lam Alif as well. So the best thing is for you, have a look at my hand movement when I'm writing letter Lam for you, isolated form, and Lam joined, then the Lam Alif as well, in two versions. Have a look at it. Lam, isolated form, going through the line and back up again. Letter Lam, joined form, from top down, back up again, down, back up again, down, going through the line and back up again. Lam joined. Lam isolated, coming from top down as I trace it following the arrow. Go through the line, back up again. Let me write that for you, starting from top down. Here we go. Going through the line, back up again, and stop. Lam, standing alone. Lam Alif, let's trace that. That's your Lam being traced now, extended, and then that's the Alif coming the other way through the Lam. One more time. Lam and Alif. Let's try and write that for you. Lam coming from top down, extend it on the line, and then Alif coming through it and forming Lam Alif. There we go. Another version of writing Lam Alif is to simply write your Lam, extend it, and place the Alif inside it. Here we go. Lam coming from top down, extend it, and place an Alif inside it. Lam, Lam Alif, Lam Alif. Well done. Ahsantum. The next letter is letter Meem. Letter Meem, isolated form. When you write it, you start in the top, the head of it clockwise. And you see that the leg is going dropping below the line. And then look at the letter Meem, joined form. Again, the arrows are there for you. They are numbered as well. But to demonstrate this, have a look at me now, my hand movements as I am writing these letter Meem in isolated form and Meem joined form as well. Here we go. Meem, standing alone, clockwise, and drop the leg below the line. Joined, we're going anti-clockwise, going up, reverse, close it up, extend, go up, reverse, and close it up and finish the final Meem. Well done. Ahsantum. The last letter to join for today is ha. Yes, relax. Ha. 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 Isolated form and ha joined form. Look at the arrows and they are numbered. So to show you the hand movement. And then look at me now as I'm demonstrating for you how to write your letter ha, isolated form, and ha, joined form as well. Here we are. Letter ha, standing alone, very simple, just like a small O really, clockwise. The joint form starts like a dial shape, close it up, come in the middle, extend it to the line, go up, reverse it, and go through the line slightly, go back up, and then back to the line, extend it, go up, and then finish it with the small C attached to it. Letter ha. Well done. Ahsantum. Now, I need to tell you that there are 6 letters that behave totally differently, which means they do not join a letter after them. You cannot extend them to the left. But if a letter is coming behind them, and those letters are the one that you can connect, they will connect with them. That's fine. I'll demonstrate. I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. So first of all, let's identify them. These 6 letters are Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, and Wow. Okay. By way of illustrating this for you, if you have what consists of Alif first, followed by Ba, this is how it's going to stand. The Alif cannot be extended forward to connect with the Ba. So this, you're going to have a gap between the Alif and Ba. Okay, but let's now switch it around. If the Ba is coming first, followed by an Alif, that Ba, because it's a very friendly letter, it will extend itself and connect with the Alif. Imagine you then have another Ba after that. That Ba also will stand alone. There will be a gap between the Alif and the Ba. Okay. Next one. For instance, if you have Dal followed by Ba, again there will be a gap between the Dal and Ba. But if you if we have Ba first followed by Dal, again that Ba will be connected to the Dal. Another one. Let's imagine we have letter Zal and Ba. Again, there will be a gap between the Zal and Ba. But if you start with the Ba, again you have to connect it to the Za, whether the Zal like it or not. Another one. Ra and Ba. Again, you're going to have the gap between the Ra and the Ba. But if you start with the Ba will be extended and linked and connect with the Ra. 2 more. Let's, if you have Za, for instance, letter Za, and then you have letter Fa, there will be a gap between the Za and the Fa. But start with the Va, the Fa first, and followed by Za. The Fa will be extended and connect to the Za. Finally, let's look at Wow. If you have the Wow followed by Laam, there will be a gap between the Wow and the Laam. Whereas if you start with the Laam will be extended forward and joined letter Wow. This is what I mean by these 6 naughty letters cannot be extended to the left or the next a letter that comes after them. And they are Alif, Dal, Zal, Ra, Za, and Wow. With this, There is nothing now to stop you from be able to recognize your letters and to join them as necessary. We're going to try to do some practice to make sure that this becomes second nature to you. Again, there's plenty of opportunity to practice this in the book, Gateway to Arabic Book 1. Please buy that book and buy the exercise book and do all the exercises for me. Thank you so much for following this series. We're nearly there. And please subscribe before you go if you haven't done so, and send a link for me into your contact. Thank you so much, and don't forget my charity, please. We need your help. There is a link below. Please click and make donation to us. And thank you so much for some of you who have done so. I'm very grateful. Shukran jazilan. Jazakumullahu khairan. Ahsanallahu ilaykum. Wa adkhal as-surura ila qulubikum. Ma'a as-salama ila al-liqa fi amanillah.